So let me show you how to connect your Vitron Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network. And you can tell it's currently not connected to Wi-Fi because that Wi-Fi icon right there is has an X. So what you need to do is simply go home and then use the left button and then left again until you see this panel. And then now you can scroll down and select settings. On the settings page, select network, and then under network, you should see net mode. Now you need to press either right or left to switch between wireless and wired. So you can see when it's like that, it's wired network, which means that's Ethernet cable. It has to say wireless. And when it says wireless, now scroll down and select wireless. And now you'll see all available Wi-Fi networks that you can connect to. So select the one you want to connect to and then type in the password. And then go and select the check mark on the right hand side to complete. And then you can go down and click OK. So it's going to save if you have the correct password and then connect. So once it says connected, then you're good to go. You can now go back to the home screen and your TV is now online connected to Wi-Fi, and you can confirm that by checking the Wi-Fi icon. Thanks for watching and good luck.